Today we are unboxing the Macromatic PC1 MDUL. The PC1 is a three-phase monitoring relay with Ethernet and MODBUS TCP communications. The PC1 comes packaged in a rugged carton and is labeled for easy identification. You'll notice on the label the product is marked Made in the USA. To remove the product from the carton, simply pull the tucked flap and remove the product from the box. In the bottom of the box, you will also find a comprehensive multi-page instruction sheet. The product itself is clearly marked, including specifications, wiring diagram, and certifications. The PC1 is UL certified for the US and Canada, indicated by the CUL US logo on the side. The PC1 comes with two terminal blocks for connecting input and output wiring. Both terminal blocks are removable for ease of installation and replacement. The product can be mounted in two different ways, either snapped onto standard 35mm DIN rail or mounted directly to a surface with screws by extending the mounting clips. Protection thresholds are easily adjusted using the blue dials on the front face of the product with a flat blade screwdriver. Device status is displayed by the LED status indicator in the upper left corner. A table explaining the LED status indications is provided immediately adjacent to the indicator for reference. Ethernet connectivity is the newest and most unique feature of the PC1 MDUL. The RJ45 Ethernet port allows connection to industrial networks or direct to a computer or laptop. The PC1 MDUL combines the protection of a phase monitor relay and the measurement capabilities of a meter, and is accessible from anywhere using Ethernet and MODBUS TCP communications. The PC1 will empower your connected control system. Make your system better by design. Thank you for watching.